Good morning, YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very excited today. I got me a first C7 Corvette. I had many cars in my life, but this is the first Corvette that I actually bought. I saw it on the pictures only. I sent my buddy this morning to go pick it up. I haven't seen it in person. He just pulled up. I'm gonna go and check it out, see what the extent of damage is, and show you guys. Ta-da! Ladies and gentlemen, I'll present to you a 2014 Corvette Stingray. The baddest color on the market. That's as good as they come. The wheels are not the coolest wheels. I know. All hatred aside, these are still alright wheels, you know, decent, somewhat decent. We probably will change those. But let's go and check it out, the extent of the damage on this thing. I haven't seen it in person. I'm about to go check it out. The front bumper definitely got ripped off, but good thing this thing is still here. As far as that, oh, yep, they busted the radiator. Probably a towing guys or something just pulled out a cable or something, but it's all archy. It doesn't look like it's leaking, but it does have a damage. Hood has a little bit of chip on it. Yeah, the wheel looks worse than I thought, but let's not freak out. First car that I fixed. Certainly not going to be the last one. Not the hardest, not the worst. It said that it does not start, and obviously it probably because it doesn't have a computer. I don't know how to, like, Corvette cannot figure out how to start this thing without a computer, so yeah, we're gonna have to buy one of these. Wire harness looks like it's salvageable. We could probably try to save it without replacing the whole thing, or probably just change the pigtail or something. Let's see what the dealer could offer us. Door is gone. This is convertible, and it's a doorless one. As bad as it comes. The hinges are gone, because who needs those? When you don't have a door, you don't need the hinges. So they're gone. They got ripped off. As far as interior, this airbag did not deploy, but this seatbelt did get deployed because you can see how tight it is. As far as the quarter panel, it took some heat. It's repairable. Trust me, guys, it's repairable. We'll just see if we want to repair it or not. We're trying to do a really good job on it. I'll try to walk you through every step that I do on it. We'll go through every little detail as far as from point A to point Z on this thing. As far as interior, let's check it out what the options are offered on it. Looks like it has a navigation system. I don't know if that comes with all of them. It has a see-through roof, which is awesome. Never seen that on the Corvette. Never had a Corvette, so I don't know if that's standard for all the Corvettes, but it looks pretty awesome. I love the interior. I don't like the deployed airbag. I don't think it's going to be comfortable to drive with, but we'll try to replace it. Maybe it'll buff out. As far as the back, let's go check it out. So guys, there's something I did not see about the back. Other than the beautiful taillights, other than everything that looks great on the Corvette. I mean, I love the way Corvette looks. This is my first Corvette C7. I love the way it looks. I hope it's fast enough to leave a bad impression on the people that I'm gonna get on the highway, you know, or on the track. There's something that I did not see. I did not see the Corsa exhaust, and it does look great. It looks fantastic. I love it. I hope it sounds great. I'm pretty sure it sounds great. I haven't heard it before. I never had Corsa exhaust before. As for right now, let's try to put the computer on. I want to take everything apart, but as much as I could see right now, I need to roll this thing off, and for me to roll it off, I need to change the control arm. I probably want to start it as well, but I need a computer and a control arm before I do any of the other stuff. So I'm gonna head out to dealership and get those parts first. Hopefully they have it in stock. I'll call them in and see. I'll update you on. All right, guys. So I already went to dealership. They did have a computer, ECM, not too expensive, almost 200 bucks. Still pretty cheap, I would consider, for such an important part. And I got a control arm, $112, as cheap as they come, with the dealer discount. Let's get this thing open. Hopefully these guys gave me the right module this time. Something sharp. Hellcat key will do just fine. These Corvette ECMs come with the Hellcat key opener, or just the key. You can only open the ECM for a Corvette with the Hellcat key. If you open it with anything else, it's not going to be fast. Just telling you guys ahead of time. Experience talk. But dang, this thing looks good. Wow, wow. Let's put the Hellcat key back in the pocket. Control arm, just double check this one. It looks like it is the one that I need. It looks a lot different because it is different. That one's bent, this one's not. Anyways, let's get it rolling. Alright guys, as you can see, the rim is busted up from the inside, probably scraped. The caliper has a hole over here. I don't know where that's not a major, nothing major. as of right now, we're gonna pull the Corvette off the trailer, put on the jack stands, and just try to work on it. Work from there. Put a computer, ECM, and such. Done pushing this thing where it's supposed to be. As of right now, I'll take a few things apart or kind of just look around, maybe connect the module, see if I could get that to work or connect at least whatnot. But from this point on, we're going to be ordering parts, we're going to be looking for parts coming in, just dealership and back type of thing. But stay tuned, subscribe. I'll have more updates, I will have more reviews on my cars, I will have more interesting stuff. I'll try to keep you guys entertained and share my life with you guys. Stay tuned, and God bless you.